Alright, hello everybody. This is Tyrant. Dave's released his Hydro 150 and that's got me real excited. The original Hydro was by far my favorite, possibly because it was my first, but I just loved how simple it was to fly, very easy, smooth. I just love taking off from the water. So with the 150 I have some plans in mind. Dave's gone with the two motor idea with his Hydro 150, and that's probably going to save me a lot of time, I guess, because he's done all the hard work. Pretty much all I plan on doing is making two rudders and shortening the fuselage just to where it'll kind of look like this, just a ballpark idea here. Now I'll put the motors on separate channels, so I'll be able to I should vary their speed accordingly. That should help with I guess just maneuvering on the water, because I remember when I was flying my original Hydro that it did not like to let's just say turn in the water, and if I was flying off from a really small lake, I would literally have to wait maybe a minute or two for the wind to push the tail around to where I can get it pointed in the way I wanted it to go. So I'm hoping maybe if I can get that programmed, I'll be able to have the right motor spin up a little bit faster than the left, to say if I wanted to make a left-hand turn onto the lake, or have the left motor spin a little bit faster to make a right-hand turn on the lake. But when I'm flying, I might mess around with it in the air and see what it does, but I'm probably just going to mainly use it for the ground. I think two rudders might help a little bit too. I'm not quite sure. It's just something for me to fart around with and test out. This isn't exactly what it's going to look like, but you get the idea. Now for the other control surfaces, I'm thinking of having just a central elevator type surface. I was thinking about maybe not even having one there, or possibly having it, but I figured just like this is how I'd want to do it. The guys on the outside will be just your standard elevons, and this guy would just be just for up and down elevator control. I could do some fancy air brake type stuff with three control surfaces that I'll probably mess around with. I'm a tinkerer by nature, so I always like to modify stuff off of their original design and go from there. But yeah, this is my idea. I think I'll be able to do it. I also had another plan of possibly keeping the motors here and moving this structure out to the outside float right here, just this outside piece, and actually just making this outside float part and this rudder, this tail, one piece, and have it come up alongside here. I might try that, but I think the first one that I build, I'll want to do it like this. This is just something I'm looking forward to building. Let's see, what else? I mean, it's pretty standard. That's my idea. V3s, of course. I'll be running, I think I'm going to try two 3-cell 1500 milliamp batteries just to give it a shot, simply because I don't have any 2200s. I guess I could purchase some, but if I can get two 1500s to work, then I think that would be even better for me, because I have 4 of them, so, and I use them to fly everything. Every plane I've ever flown has used the Grayson 1500, so yeah, this is my plan. I think for the servos, I think I'll mount the Elevon servos. I think I'll mount them right here. I like keeping everything on the outside. It's real simple, real direct. For the two rudders, I think I'll put a servo for each one. Yeah, now that I think about it, I probably will, just because that's how I roll. So I'll probably put them right here as well. Now this guy here, I don't know if I might just tape him right, or glue him right behind the fuselage, making a nice little nook for it, or if I want to put him inside this and have a control rod. I don't know what I want to do, but I'll probably put it somewhere in the center, or I might put it out on the side here. But then have the motors, two separate channels on the receiver. I'll be able to mess around with their rotation speeds, of course, and give them separate power. But that's my plan, and I'm really looking forward to it. I'll have to move to California first before I can start building it, but yeah, that's my idea, so I'll see how it goes. Anyways, I'm out.